And then with the pump out, we can pull our follower out and inspect it. Our first check is going to be the follower. If you see any damage on the top of this follower where it's concave or it looks like it's starting to wear through or heavily scratched, you want to go ahead and put a new one on. If it's worn completely through, like there's nothing here, then of course you have bigger problems and we need to do a much bigger repair. For how cheap these things are, it may just be worth it. If you take it off, go ahead and replace it. Just because the follower's good doesn't mean you don't have any issues. You also need to take a look at the end. Before putting the new pump on, we have to do a couple of things. One, we want to clean the well where the pump goes. We'll also lubricate it right before we put the pump on. But we also need to make sure that the cam is in a good position, meaning we don't want one of the high points of the lobe facing out. That's going to require more effort to put the pump on. If the cam's not on one of the flat parts, rotate the engine around until it is. That'll make installing the pump so much easier and less risk of damaging the pump. Once we're sure we're on the flat portion of the cam, go ahead and clean the well out really good. Next, we're going to take our new follower, put a little engine oil. I like a little assembly lube. Put a little on the outside of it, get it nice and lubricated, drop it down in. When we get our new pump, oftentimes it doesn't have